Now we are going to know about K factor. What is K factor? Generally, if you define any kind of a sheet metal plate wants to bend at the particular ratio, here the K factor is constant at 0.5. But if you use a different material, we need to maintain a different K factor formations. If you use an aluminum means there is a ratio of 0.33 to 0.42. This is the actual ratio for aluminum. Okay, how it is actually affects your sheet metal design means, imagine if I initiate a sheet metal with a K factor ratio of 0.33, I am going to draw the profile at the top of its plate and wants to bend at the particular portion. Just by showing this default plate, now draw the profile using a sketch bend tools. By picking off its one end portions, we can bend the sheet metal plate. After bending the sheet metal, look at it, this is our output. Here the length must be changed based on the K factor, the length automatically changed. Suppose if you want to change the K factor ratio, you are using a mild steel material means you can change the ratio of 0.44 to 0.45. It is the ratio for mild steel. Look at it, this is a, if you change the ratio automatically the bend radius and the total length will affect, it is change the complete properties of a sheet metal.